We all carry deep within our bones a kind of longing for home, which raises the question, of course, what is home? Initially, home is our residence, the umbilical state, and then we experience a radical disconnect from home called birth. And life is a series of attachment and losses, attachment and losses. And I suppose there remains a deep kind of neurological memory within each of us. All civilizations had their story of an original disconnect. They often will say, you know, our ancestors were linked to an earlier state, a happy time, a paradisical state, an Edenic state, but we're not there, and they have their story of that disconnect. And so we all feel to some degree separated from our home. And there's a word for that in English, which really comes from the Greek, nostalgia. And the word nostos means home, and legia comes from the word for pain. So nostalgia means pain for home.